make a pizza. This is my pizza thing. The first thing you do is you have your parents roll out the dough or the crust, and then you take whatever ingredients you want and put them on. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And then I just spread it. But the sauce has to be able to like cover the cheese so it can like stick. If you don't like sauce so much, you can spread a little bit like I just did. Or if you like love sauce, you can spread a lot of it. Or if you don't like sauce at all, just you should. If you don't like sauce at all, just put a tiny sauce in the middle. When you have all the sauce that you want, just like all of it, like you can use the whole jar, you can use some of it. I pick my toppings. We have pepperoni and cheese. I like the cheese way more than the pepperoni. That's just who I am. Take some more, stretch it out, stretch it out. This is, let me taste this. Cheese stick cheese. So if you like cheese sticks, this is the cheese for you. It's so good.
Is it possible to put too much cheese?
Yes, you can put all the cheese you want, but trust me, all you're going to taste is cheese. So I'm covering half with the pepperoni. It's spicy, kind of like salami, but not salami. I like the dough.
What else is over there for putting on pizza?
There we have onions and garlic and yeah, all that good stuff. And bacon. And let's see how pizza will turn out. Okay, so my pizza's in here. It looks like it's doing well.
What's the temperature?
Temperature is 400 or 450. Cut pizza. Go through, pushing down very hard. I'll start with the cheese. Thanks. Amazing. I think I overdid the cheese, like by a lot. I used the whole can.